YModel is an automated data mining tool that allows one-click model building. Data scientists are rare and expensive, and it takes weeks, or even months, to build one model. With YModel, users, even the ordinary business people and programmers, are able to finish model building in just a few minutes, or dozens of minutes at most. An auto-statistician tool that encapsulates deep, rich, and practical statistical experience. YModel automatically handles a modeling process from data preprocessing, algorithm selection, parameter configurations to model evaluation, and produces suitable quality models. It is as competent as a professional and outperforms an unprofessional programmer. With YModel, you can complete the modeling and scoring process in just 3 steps. Step 1. Load data. Click New Model, load historical data. Select target variable. Step 2. Auto build models. Click Build Model to start the automated process of data preprocessing, model building, and performance-based model evaluation. Step 3. Scoring. Click Scoring to open the newly built model. Load targeted data to perform scoring, and generate scoring result. With YModel, modeling is no longer the privilege of data scientists. It enables ordinary business people to build many models anytime and anywhere. With YModel, modeling becomes fast, simple, and efficient. YModel, a faster and smarter auto modeling tool.